Hello guys, welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys on how you can approve YouTube Kids videos. So if you want to approve the videos yourselves, but you don't know how to do so, then this video is for you. First step is to look at the bottom and open your parental controls. Type in your password and open settings. And once you're here, just select your kid's profile and then password. Tap on next, and now you're here. So once you scroll down, you would see the content settings, and right at the bottom you would see the option edit settings. So that's what we need to tap on. Just go ahead and tap there. So once you're here, you would see options like younger, older, preschool. Finally, option is at first, that option that says approve content yourself. Just go ahead and tap there and tap on select. So once you've done so, the child can't use the search engine. Tap on start, and there you go. So now just approve the videos and tap on done. So these are the videos that you are approving for your child. There you go. That's how you approve content videos on YouTube Kids. Hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.